other B2B marketers out there that should be part of their strategic roadmap that probably already isn't?
I would look at three things.
Okay.
Clearly, technology is a huge component. So making sure that you're working with the right portfolio of technology providers along your whole marketing stack. And we can have a whole conversation around that.
That sounds like fun.
And there's also a whole conversation on whether it's one or many.
Sure.
So there's that piece. Secondly is what I just described, the analytics piece. Make sure that the data basics clean, connected, and you have the right trigger models. And then the third thing is content, right? Well, and when I say content, it's such as, content experiences, all that, based on what the data is telling you. And then obviously the analytics piece. So I want to make sure that you get those kind of basics right. I think that's the most important thing.
Yeah, it's a great reminder for folks actually trying to run a little ahead of their ability at this point, or their organization's capability. How about that?
Yeah, absolutely. And there's also kind of a new trend and a new kind of thing that everyone's talking about is the whole agile, right?
Yep.
Applying the agile product methodology to marketing processes,
yep.
right? And so that's a whole new thing that's getting a lot of buzz on the web, and it's very interesting.
Yeah,
right.
Well,
it's a very interesting concept.
The ability to drive speed, but also test, right? That iterative process, I think, gets you to a better place than actually coming up with the big aha moments. It's been many months to come up with some big marketing campaign and tagline, right? Like your customers.
I totally agree.
Your customers will tell you what is the best tagline and the best message.
Absolutely,
right?
You get it all out there and see
Yeah.
what works.
Yep.
I totally agree. And then how do you kind of organize around that, agile Scrum methodology, and to what extent do you do it, right? I think there's a lot of talk on that, and everyone's studying the agile Scrum product methodology. The big question is, how do you really apply it to marketing? What do you bring over and what do you not bring over?